Here is a detailed explanation of the C programming language. Introduction. C is a general-purpose procedural computer programming language supporting structured programming, lexical variable scope, and recursion with a static type system. It was designed and written by Dennis Ritchie between 1969 and 1973 at Bell Labs. Features. 1. Portability. C code can be compiled on various platforms with minimal modifications. 2. Efficiency. C provides low-level memory management and optimization techniques. 3. Flexibility. C allows direct access to hardware resources. 4. Structured programming. C supports functions, loops, and conditional statements. 5. Static typing. C requires explicit type definitions for variables. Basic syntax. 1. Variables. Declared using the type variable _name, syntax. 2. Data types, integers, int, floating point numbers, float, double, characters, char, and strings, char. 3. Operators, arithmetic, plus, while, asterisk, while, comparison, equal sign, while, equal sign, while. Logical, and, vertical bar, while, and assignment, equal sign. 4. Control structures, conditional statements, if, else, switch, loops, while, for, do while, and jumps, break, continue, return. 5. Functions. Declared using the return _ type function name parameters, syntax. Advanced topics. 1. Pointers. Variables storing memory addresses. 2. Arrays, collections of elements of the same type. 3. Structures. User-defined data types combining multiple variables. 4. File input-output. Reading and writing files using fopen, fclose, fred, and frite. 5. Memory management. Manual memory allocation and deallocation using malloc, calloc, realloc, and free. Best practices. 1. Code organization. Use header files, functions, and comments. 2. Error handling. Use error codes, assertions, and debugging techniques. 3. Performance optimization. Minimize memory usage, optimize loops, and use caching. 4. Security. Avoid buffer overflows, use secure functions, and validate user input. This is a comprehensive overview of the C programming language. If you have specific questions or need further clarification on any topic, feel free to ask.